Clear the temporary files cache with Disk Cleanup. To clear the temporary files cache, search Disk Cleanup in the Start menu search bar. Select the Disk Cleanup app, which will appear in the search results. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu search. Once selected, Disk Cleanup will start calculating how much space you can free up on the operating system drive, C, or whichever drive you select. On a modern SSD, the window will probably be fast enough that you barely see it. The Disk Cleanup for OS C will now appear. Scroll down and check the box next to Temporary Files. You can also choose to delete files from other locations, such as Recycle Bin or Downloads. Once you've selected what you'd like to clear, click Clean Up System Files. Click Clean Up System Files. Once Windows calculates the amount of storage space that will be freed up, you'll be brought to the same page again. This time, select the files and locations a second time that you'd like to delete, and then click OK. Select what you want to clean again, then click OK. A warning will appear, prompting you to confirm you are sure you want to permanently delete the files. Select Delete Files. Click Delete Files. Disk Cleanup will now clean up unnecessary files on your machine. This process could take several minutes. Clear DNS cache. If you want to clear your Windows 10 PC's DNS cache, open Command Prompt as an admin. To do this, click the Start button, then type Command Prompt in the search bar. The Command Prompt app will appear in the search results. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator from the menu, or click Run as Administrator on the side. Next, run the following command: IP protocol configuration/flushdns. Run IP protocol configuration/flushdns in an elevated command prompt or PowerShell. You'll receive a message letting you know you've successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. The DNS cache has been flushed successfully. Clear Windows Store Cache. To clear the Windows Store cache, open Run by pressing Windows + on your keyboard. The Run window will appear. In the text box next to Open, type wsreset.exe and then click OK. Press Windows + or then enter sreset.exe into the box. Once selected, a black window will very briefly appear. There's nothing you can do here, so just wait a few moments while it clears the cache. You will then see the Windows Store with a blank screen and a loading sign. The Windows Store cache has been cleared. Once the window closes, the cache is cleared, and Windows Store will launch. You can close the Windows Store app if you like. Clear Location Cache. To clear the location cache, click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your desktop to open the Start menu. From there, select the gear icon to open Windows Settings. Alternatively, press Windows +I to open the Settings app. Click the Start button, then click the gear icon to open the Settings app. The Settings window will appear. Scroll down and select the Privacy option. Click Privacy in the Settings app. You'll now be in the Privacy group of the settings. In the left-hand pane, select Location, found in the App Permissions section. Location option. In the next window, scroll down until you find the Location group. Here, select Clear under the Location History on this device heading. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Drop a comment below if you have questions or ideas for future videos. Catch you in the next one. Take care.